Okay, here we are again, back in the default dashboard area. Just a quick note. Again, you can click to toggle things to make them bigger and smaller in the dashboard area. You can also change what shows on the dashboard area. So if I just get rid of this right now area here, if I click that, it disappears. Recent comments, get rid of it. Incoming links, get rid of it. You can also change how it looks across, so you can change it to 4. You can also drag these things around the screen, so you can make everything interactive and look like what you would like it to. I'm going to leave everything as it is. Quick press is useful for just adding new things, but really there's no particular useful thing about that for you. Where I want you to go now is to have a look at the posts area over here. And if you click the drop down, you'll see you've got posts, add new, categories and post tags. Alright, what I'm going to click is I'm going to click the posts at the top, and it'll immediately take me through to the post page. These are all the posts that have been made previously by me, author Andrew Gray. When you highlight over any of the posts, you'll see automatically these little labels underneath pop up. You have a choice between edit, quick edit, trash or view. These are posts that have already been made, and so you can do all these different activities with them. You can also have a look at other things that are in the same categories or have been given the same tags. Alright, just click them and you'll find your way around. You can search posts here using this little dialog box. Usually it really searches the title more than the content of the post, to be perfectly honest with you. Right, I'll show you about editing, quick editing and trash and view in a later video, but in this particular case we're going to add new. So go over here to this dialog and click add new. Just wait for a moment for it all to boot up. There we are. Right, so we have here another area of the dashboard. It all looks quite similar in many ways. We have here where you put your title. We have here these, if you just hover over it, you get like these little additional things you can add in quite easily. This particular coloured one here is it's a plugin called Photo Dropper, and what it does is it searches, I think it's Flickr or Photo Bucket, one of the two, with keywords, so you can add a nice little picture to it. Right, these don't exist in every blog. These do exist in every blog. They're part of the WordPress system. You put your posts in here. You have various little shortcut editing thingies, very much like you have on your normal DTP desktop publishing thing, or WordPress even. They exist here. So that's visual, and then you got another tag which says HTML. You probably don't need to worry about the HTML. That's only for those of us who know a bit of HTML to worry about, and we can go in and look at the code and see what's going on. Most of the time just use visual, don't worry about anything else. We have here the publish dialog. Again, there's a little arrow which you can click up and down. Save draft means that you keep it in the computer system, nobody sees it. Preview will bring you up what you've typed. Draft, you can change that to whether you want it draft or pending review, so for somebody else to read before it's published. Again, public, is it public or is it password protected or private? You probably don't need to do any of these. If you do, then please ask. I'm not going to put any details on this video. If you want to publish immediately, or you can actually say you want to publish at some point in the future. So you can actually set it for, I don't know, publish in July, and if I click OK, it'll then publish on July the 12th and not until, right? Which is really useful if you're going away and you want to set some things up. When I'm setting multiple posts up, because I'm blogging in just one day for the rest of the week, I will actually change these so that they publish on successive days at different times. When you're ready to publish, hit publish. It doesn't mean you cannot edit it ever again. It just means that you've published it for that moment and the world can see it. Moving down to here, so I right click them. You've got this categories area. Again, you can make it bigger or smaller. I'll show you how categories are used in another video. You can always add a new category, and when you do that you get these little dialog comes up. This says parent category. It just simply means that where you're going to put it, and it's a bit like a normal website page where you get, sorry, not website, directory page on your computer where you can say I want this is a parent category here, so this is events in the Northwest, these are child categories, and you can add a new one here, add a new category, and you select what the parent is going to be. So you'd say events in the Northwest, and you'd say what event it was. When you've got categories in there, you can use the over here you can use the categories dialog, just moving back over again, to actually say whether or not you want to keep a category, delete a category, edit a category. Alright, so it's all very flexible, nothing is written in stone. Post tags, again, I'll show you how post tags work at another point, but just to know for now, you can actually click this button and choose from most commonly used tags, and you can choose one of those or add a brand new one. Other things that exist down here, excerpt, which is you can handcraft it so that when search engines pick it up they can see what you're actually saying. I never fill this in, so you can get rid of that and just leave it small. Send trackbacks, again it's a legacy thing, it's hardly ever used these days. Custom fields, some people set those up, they're useful in certain programs but not all. Leave these tagged discussion, allow comments, trackbacks. The author you can change to being any one of these people who are already registered as users. I'll show you how to do that in another video, and this is that photo dropper thing I was showing you a few moments ago. So really this is the area where you're going to be doing all your posting, which I'm going to show you in another video.